Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Replacing the factory fender and bumper emblems is probably one of the easiest upgrades you can do to your Camaro. The small emblem on the side here does look good, but with the other options out there, a simple change will give us an instant update to the side profile of our Camaro. Now, getting your factory emblem off is an easy task. The fender emblems are held on with double-sided tape. Simply take a plastic card or some fishing line and cut the tape to remove the emblem. You can also use some heat to soften the tape, making the work a bit easier. I am going to replace this emblem on this Camaro with the gloss black heritage emblem we have from Chevrolet. This emblem will mount on any flat surface, so it will fit right in place on our fenders and add a touch of color with the red, white, and blue accents. We're going to start by using some painter's tape to mark the line where our factory emblem sits. This will allow us to make sure the new emblem will sit in the same place. I will be using a stiff plastic card for removal. Work your way around the emblem to remove it from the fender. There will be some excess tape left behind. Simply clean the surface with adhesive remover to get the excess tape off. With the surface clean, we can line up the new emblem, peel the wax paper backing, and stick it in place. Depress the emblem and hold for a few seconds to ensure a great contact with the flat surface. Slowly peel back the protective cover and tape, then repeat the process on the other side to complete the installation. It's just that simple, folks. A little bit of time and we can appreciate the instant change to our side profile. Now, if this emblem does not fit your style, not to worry. Chevrolet has a wide variety of emblems that are sure to fit your needs. There is the chrome version of the heritage emblem, the red line edition letters, 2.0T for you 2016 to 2020 Turbo 4 owners, and supercharged letters for you guys that have added boost. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.